Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Dodge Durango. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort while towing your camper or boat. It offers more interior room and towing capability than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, power sunroof, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, security system, compass, heated steering wheel, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, heated front seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.